All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing today, we've done this format of a workout before. It is one of the workouts that you count your reps working at your own pace, but I know a lot of you guys don't like to count your reps, so if you prefer just to follow along, you're not going to get the exact reps because I might be going slower or faster than you guys. But if you don't want to count, just follow along. Whenever I transition to the next movement, just transition to the next movement. But what we're going to do, we're going to start off, we're going to do 25 burpees, and then we're going to do a 4-minute run. I'm not going to record the 4-minute run because you don't need to see me run for 4 minutes. So just pause the video and go do your 4-minute run. When you come back, hit play and just pick up where it picks up, okay? So we're going to do 25 burpees, 4-minute run. Then we're going to come back, we're going to do 5 rounds of 20 lunge jumps, 10 lateral plank walks, 20 squat jumps, and then 10 lateral plank walks back. And we're going to repeat that for 5 rounds. So what that looks like, you're going to do 20 lunge jumps. So 1, 2, get to 20. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, get to 10. Then we're going to do 20 squat jumps, and then you're going to do 10 lateral plank walks back. You're going to repeat that for 5 rounds. Once that's done, we're going to repeat the 25 burpees in the 4-minute run. You'll hit pause again. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do another 5 rounds of 20 elbow renegade rows. So from here, so 1, 2, 3, 20 of those. Then we're going to do 10 broad jumps. Once you're done with those 10 broad jumps, you're going to do 20 push-ups, 10 broad jumps back. You're going to repeat that for 5 rounds. Once you're done with that, we're going to do another 25 burpees and a 4-minute run. Then we're done for the day, okay? So, like I said, if you don't want to count your reps, don't worry about it, just follow along with us. Hit pause when we do the run, because you're going to do the run too, and then you just kind of pick up with the video picks back up, okay? So, we're going to start off 25 burpees, and then right into a 4-minute run, all right? Chelsea, you ready? Ready as you're going to be. We've done this format before, guys. Changed up a few things, but that's the extent of it, all right? 1 second here. We'll start about 30 seconds. Oh, man. All right, guys, so 25 burpees or just follow along, okay? And pick up or just go along with us. Ready? And let's go. Let's take 5 more. All right, guys, 4-minute run. I'm gonna pause the video. If you're indoors, you can do a combo running in place, mountain climbers, jumping jacks. Doing it for 4 minutes. Pick back up in a sec. All right, guys, so done with the run. Now we're going to 5 rounds of 20 lunge jumps, 10 lateral plank walks, 20 squat jumps, 10 lateral plank walks back. Doing that for 5 rounds. Or just switch with us. 10 lateral plank walks. Squat jumps. I mean 20, sorry. Plank walk back. That's round one. Shit. Once you get your 20, lateral plank walks again. Three more. Let's go 2 more rounds, guys. Let's kick my ass. Kicking my ass. Plank walks. Last round, guys. Then we're back to our burpees in a 4-minute run. Let's go. Plank walk. Last squat jumps. Got me cussing, guys. All right, so done with that sequence. Now we're back to your 25 burpees, then another 4-minute run as soon as you're done. Shit. Damn. All right, guys. 4-minute run again. Hit pause. Go get your 4-minute run. Shit. Let's go. All right, guys. So now we're gonna move on to our elbow plank unloaded renegade rows. So we're gonna do 20 of those. 10 broad jumps, 20 push-ups, 10 broad jumps. That's one round. We're gonna do that for 5 rounds. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go through one more time with the 25 burpees and the 4-minute run, then we're done for the day. It's killing me. All right, guys.
Okay.
Elbow plank, renegade rows. 20 total. It's right here. Pull them up. Total. Now 10 broad jumps. Let me find out. 20 push-ups. Shoot. Ten more broad jumps. All right, that's 1 of 5, guys. Broad jumps. All right, 2 push-ups. I'm not talking much today. This is wearing my ass out. Ten more broads. Two of 5. Right, shoot broad jumps. Push-ups. That's those broad jumps. Shit. shots, guys. Nice work. Push-ups. Last round, guys. Last time. Finish this up. Push-ups. Good job. Oh goodness. Last set of broad jumps, guys. Nice job, guys. All right, so we got our 25 burpees, your 4-minute run, then we're done for the day. Let's get this shit done. I'm ready for it to be done. I'm over this one. Let's go, shots. Keep pushing, guys. Let's get it done. 25 burpees. 25 and 4. Good job, babe. 10 more. Good job, babe. Keep it up. Nice job, guys. Ready to move on. 4-minute run till you're done. Then you're done. Let's go. Push yourself 4 minutes. Then you're done for the day. Nice work. It's a tough one. Get it done. Let's go, Chaz. Good job. Nice job, guys. Oh, that one was rough. It's a good one. Perfect body weight workout you can do anywhere. Let's get outside, get some fresh air. Decided to film this one because I know a lot of you guys don't like to count your reps. So maybe it's a way for you to get one of these workouts in. Still don't have to count your reps. You may not be getting the prescribed reps in, but you're still in a good hard workout in. So nice job. Good job, Chelsea. That's a tough one. Let me know what you think, guys. Excellent job. Good way to finish off the week.